Now inside the RTS clutch pack, obviously we've got the flywheel too, they were mentioning that with the Helix clutches you do have a 500 mile bedding in procedure. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I know you can't see much, but we are on the way to Wrexham. It is what, 5 to 5 in the morning? All my neighbours probably hate me because I've just turned on the ST. But yeah, I mean, we've got some mad mods to come. What can I say? I'm looking forward to this. It's 5:50 in the morning and I'm hanging. I'm not gonna lie, I am so hanging. 3.5 hours sleep and we are en route to BD Performance again because today we're getting a paddle clutch and Mfactory Diff fitted. So guys, stick around. We won't take too long. This journey only sucks for me, not for you. And we'll see you when we get there. Peace. Gonna be that guy.
Morning, people.
Greg's on the way to BD Performance in Wrexham. All the way over here, the Clio 200 freshly installed with BC coilovers. No.
Yellow speed, George.
Yellow speed coilovers.
Don't be swearing at me like that. I'll swear at BCs again.
Well, the ST's got the BCs, but either way, guys, vegan sausage roll in hand. Oh look, tuning lab plug. Let's get a move on. Guys, we've arrived safely.
Isn't it?
Hey?
You're burning up some rubber, George, on the way here.
Yo guys, so as you can imagine, I spent the last couple of hours driving up here, super tired, so I spent 20 minutes or so just catching up with these guys. But as you guys know from previous videos, we've got the Mfactory Differential and the RTS paddle clutch going in the car. Now you're probably thinking, don't worry, I've had this in the forums, you're probably thinking, why are you going from an RS clutch to an RTS clutch at this stage in your build? Now all I need to say is big things are coming. I wasn't born yesterday. There is good reason why a clutch like this is going in the car. But either way, guys, it makes sense to say a big thank you to them. So go check out RTS in the description section below. And Mfactory as well, because the car's making waves. It's going to be sick. We'll see you guys in a bit. Peace. Right, guys. Now, inside the RTS clutch pack, obviously we've got the flywheel too. They were mentioning that with the Helix clutches, you do have a 500 mile bedding in procedure. Obviously, we've got Alan taking the car apart as we speak. But regarding the RTS clutch, you actually need 750, there we go. You actually need 750 to 1,000 miles of basically low to mid-range gear changes, I guess. But yeah, just so you know, there is a bedding in procedure. So there will be no booting it for a fair while. Do need to take out the oil breather kit, so that's going to be coming out next. And then we've got a couple more things to do, and then yeah, I guess the exciting parts are going in the car. So you mentioned just now that you have to prep it before it goes in the car. Is that the case? You just put brake cleaner on it and make sure it's all...
Yeah, a bit of brake cleaner first. I'll install it and then I'll clean it again.
Oh, nice.
Just to get all, because they tend to put a bit of grease or whatever just to stop from rusting. Grab it.
Right, I suppose we're going to find out what condition it's in now. It should be good, because like I said, I don't rag it. Good kit, good nick. Very good nick.
Yeah.
Can you turn around and show the camera? So guys, in case any of you are wondering, he's just going to bring them up and show you now.
It's quite hot.
The state of the RS clutch is amazing. So yeah, can't complain. Oh, yeah guys, really good condition. So yeah, it's obviously up for sale.
Top dollar.
It will pull the battery, pull down.
Right, all bolts are in successfully. Show everyone, what is this? Absolute beast.
Bargain, brand new, day old. Snap.
You rate them?
Yeah, wouldn't mind trying the Milwaukee ones though.
I'll walk you slide into my DMs. So walk us through the process. You're just talking everything up?
Talking it all up to spec. I'm just going to clean that and then it'll be going on.
Quiet on set, please. Oh my gosh. Guys, with great power comes great responsibility. Watch this.
What's that? Hey,
What is that?
it's crap.
What is it?
The diff.
Yeah? This is why we're going to take the gearbox apart. Find out what's inside it.
Bin.
Do your worst, big boy. Box of goodies right here, guys. Mfactory Differential. As recommended by Alan and the 500 Brake ST. But no, he says it was night and day difference fitting in here, so it'd be nice to see if it's not all talk.
Joke there, isn't it? There's a joke there. Anyway, do there, don't care.
Front for me is, yeah, front for me is, front, okay, so those are the two.
So do you reckon this is the most effective mod I've done to date, by any chance?
Yeah, well, just depends depends how you look at it, because obviously block mod is just, because you don't want it to crack.
Yeah, but you know,
That, yeah.
down.
Oh yeah, definitely.
There we go.
That and tyres are probably the two best things you should do.
Coming from someone with a 500 brake ST himself, I'm going to take that as gospel. Man with the plan, what is next on the list?
Strawberry sauce, not literally.
No, it is strawberry sauce.
Yeah.
It's just an old Loctite bottle. It's just been refilled with strawberry sauce.
Yeah. Best stuff going.
Satisfying noise. Right, Alan, the gearbox is now back in, courtesy of Darren and Ben and yourself. Any comments? Anything that we need to be wary of, or is it in good nick?
It's all good.
Happy days. Guys, if you haven't already, Alan ST225 on Instagram. He's moaning that he's had 8 requests already. Give him another 800. Alan, how fast can you put the car back together, honestly? 3 or 4 minutes?
Yeah.
Madness. How are you getting on? Shalom, Jackie. No, it's hello all. No, you want to explain to the camera just really quickly for a 10-second clip. What are you doing to your car? What have you been doing? What have you been doing?
Well, Ben mainly, but Ben smashed outfitting exhaust system the turbo exhaust system for beer.
Yes, mate. Can't wait to see what it sounds like. Guys, excuse the hair. This is what happens when it's hot. But guess what? The Mfactory Differential and the RTS paddle clutch is now in because of this absolute hero. Now, to any of you wondering, this is the lad that owns the 500 brake ST. Now, I'm going to stick his Instagram in the description section below so you guys can go plague his Instagram with followers. Honestly, any of you going forward have any questions regarding the Mk2 Focus ST, Mk2 Focus RS, I'm 99% sure in saying he can answer everything you've got to say. So yeah, go check him out. Look at the description section. Yeah, the amount of times I have to say these things. It's been a long day, guys. I've been up since 3 o'clock. Car's almost put back together. And this is when he finds out that he's left something out of the gearbox. But no, it's okay. We're going to come back tomorrow and finish up then. But yeah, just thought I'd help him out. He's a legend. Yo, Jacob, your dad's famous now. He says you're a pretty cool guy. But yeah, guess what? Lots of cool cars here. And your dad has been hanging out with us all day. So hello to you and the family. Yo guys, so 2 hours later, we are here at BD Performance again because we've gone and got ready and we're going to go out for a few drinks with Mr. BD Performance himself, Darren the man. But all the same, guys, we're just dropping off the purple RS now because that's what we drove here, and then we're going to walk into town.